TY38. Hey, Detail World, Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. If the footage look a little crazy, it's because I'm using my phone. I left the camera at home, rushing, but we actually got the whole car done. Y'all remember we had mud everywhere. We actually got the mud all over the car, interior, exterior. Still got one more car to do here, plus 2 more cars after this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this car up, park it, and y'all already know, man. So I hope y'all having a great day. Stay blessed, stay consistent, stay relentless. Y'all already know, man. Those are some of the key values to make you very successful in life. But y'all already know, man. Continue to be great. We're gonna be great together. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit it. And I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Peace. All right. Detail World, man. We done got the second car done of the day. We've been here since 11 o'clock. It's probably about 2 something. So car's a little dirty, but y'all already know, man, we take so much pride in the work we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And like I always try to tell you, hope you taking pride in whatever you got going on in life. Let me give you a quick glimpse of the interior. It looks immaculate. The car came out well. So you should be definitely super enthused with the work. We're gonna go ahead and let them know we done. Get paid, head to our next stop. It's probably about a good 20, 30 minutes from here. So it's gonna be a nice little ride. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do. We got this third car done, even though we've been done with this car for over 2-3 hours. We just had to wash that one. But right now, like I said, we had to do this Honda Odyssey in and out. It was a mini detail on the inside because they kind of keep it dirty, but the exterior is your basic cleaning. You know, good wipe down, good cleaning, drying off, doing the windows and things like that. But if you see the interior of the car, you know the mat still look wet, but the rest of the car look amazing. Like I said, it was dirt literally everywhere. And like I said, we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So when you take pride in whatever you're doing, it's nothing. And like I said, we just had to finish this Mazda MDX. Got this car looking great. I think it's a friend car. I thought it was a husband car, but a husband car parked out front. But we got both cars done today. We did 4 cars today. It's a long day today, man. I will admit, I said that earlier it was gonna be a long day. But we actually got the interior of this car looking amazing too. Got the kids in the van. Gonna go ahead and head home. I was gonna cook dinner, but customer ended up buying pizza. But if you look at the interior, it came out well too. So we about to go ahead and call it a day. Head to the house. It's supposed to rain the next few days. I hope it don't, because I got a busy day for tomorrow and Tuesday. But like always, man, I hope you take pride in whatever you got going on. Remember, man. Remember, you got to do what you need to do to stay ahead of the curve. And like always, man, one love. Love thyself. You can't love anybody if you don't love yourself. And on that note, man, I'm going to catch y'all later, man. Peace.
On YouTube. Watch TY38. Hey.